Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I have a unboxing of a WD Elements SE. It's a portable hard drive and it's in the 5 terabyte form, and I've got this for the channel. I am running out of space really quickly now that I've got a dedicated camera, so let's get this started. Okay guys, that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing experience. I do note that it just only comes with a USB 3.1 cable and it doesn't actually come with a USB-C cable. Some of the Seagate hard drives come with both and you can do it that way. Thank you for watching it to the end. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do subscribe to the channel. That's the only way I continue to make funds and to be able to support myself, bring you more content. I hope you enjoyed it. Take good care. Bye bye.